Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki, and today we're doing a fun video. I was just casually in my house playing with makeup, playing with eye looks. I'm in my hoodie, I'm in sweatpants. I was watching YouTube videos and I saw a new video that people are doing, or maybe it's not new. They're mixing all of their foundations and putting it on their face, and I thought, light bulb, that looks like fun. I want to try that, so let's do it. So that's what we're doing today. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It could be amazing. It could be horrible. I'm just casually hanging out on a Sunday, and I thought this would be fun, so I thought, why not film this? It could be a catastrophe, or it could be amazing. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to jump into the clips of me showing you being a chemist, kind of, not really, mixing all the foundations together, and then we'll come back. I have nothing on my face. I have eye makeup on, but nothing on my skin, and we're just going to play and see what happens. Okay, so I thought I had a lot more foundations than this, and I remembered I just decluttered, so I got rid of 10 foundations. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's jump into it. This is going to be interesting because all of these, most of these are very, very thick, full coverage foundations. First up, we have the Kat Von D Lock-It. What is this called? Lock-It Tattoo Foundation. I've had this for years. I don't even know if it's still good. I love this foundation to like cover up tattoos, stretch marks. I use it more on my body than I do actually on my face, but whatever. I want to try to put an equal amount of each foundation in, so I'm just going to do half a pump. If any of you, oh my God, it's not even coming out. Can you see that? If any of you have tried this foundation, you know how thick it is. Oh man. It's just not even really coming out. I might have to scoop this out. There we go. Oh God. Okay. So I'm going to try to mix these in the bowl. I might have to use more than one pump there. So that's the Lock-It foundation. And I'll leave a link to all of these down below. I don't know what shade this is, so I'll leave a link down below. Next up, this is the lightest weight foundation I have. This is the Burberry foundation, Burberry Cashmere Long Lasting Foundation. I did a full review video on this one too. I'll leave a link to it down below. Let's do half a pump. Okay, maybe, I think for each one we'll do one pump. That way I can mix them up pretty well. So one pump from the Burberry. I wish I could explain to you how chemically this smells. I don't even know if chemically is a word. It just smells very, very pungent, which is actually alarming when you mix all these foundations together. It smells like a chemical lab. I think I'm going to do one more pump of each just because I feel like that may not be enough to cover my entire face. So I'm going to do one more pump of each and then let's get started applying it. This should be interesting. Honestly, all of them together looks like my perfect shade though. Let's see. So what foundation brush am I using? I'm using the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Smoothing Foundation Brush, number 12. So let's just go in here. This is thick because I tend to buy full coverage foundations. Oh Lord, that's orange. Oh God. I thought this was going to be the right color. I don't know. Let's see. This feels so thick. Oh man, this is going to be the most full coverage foundation I've ever put on my face. I like to press the foundation into the skin. I hope this actually looks somewhat okay because I wanted to film a lot of videos today. I guess if it doesn't, I'll just wash it all off, but this feels very, very thick. I definitely made too much. Remember when I was mixing it and I'm like, I'm going to put one more pump because I don't think I have enough. Oh, I have enough. If you try this, you definitely don't. I think you just need one pump of each foundation if you have like 5 or more. Ooh, my God. Do you see that coverage? Like, look at my skin. This is my skin and this is the foundation. Oh man, this is thick. Let's just pat this into the hairline, because I do want to leave this makeup on today. What are we thinking about the color? I think it doesn't look too bad. I mean, I'm a bit orange. I'm a bit orange, but it's a little better than what no, that's not true. Let me bring it down the neck. I actually thought it was going to be the perfect color, but it looks a bit kind of like Donald Trumpish. No shade. Yeah, there's shade. That's all shade. It's a bit orange. That's all shade, actually. Oh, Nicole, don't get political on your channel. You guys, the color is actually good. On camera, I feel like you guys are seeing it more orange. I don't know if that's the lighting, but to me it looks really good. Oh, I like this. Now, it looks really nice. I mean, I wouldn't say really nice. It looks good. It's just like I have on the like most full coverage foundation I've ever worn. And thank God, like right now, my skin is in such a good place. I think my skin is in the best shape it's ever been, like since I was a pre-teen, because once I hit 12, my skin was just horrible. But my skin is in a really good place right now, and I really like this finish. Now, the way it feels horrible. This does not feel nice. It feels like what I did. It feels like I have 7 foundations on my face. I probably can't leave this on all day. No, I can't. Oh no, I'm getting a closer look here, friends. No, we can't leave this on all day. It's starting to really sink into the skin, and it's making me look like a doll. Is this what they do for like movies? Do they put this much foundation on when they want like full coverage? Because what you're seeing, I think it looks nice on camera. So I think this is perfect for camera, but in real life, girl, if you get up close, you guys know when I can't speak and I'm just making faces, like you guys know, like, ooh, I don't know. Oh God, I'm torn. Here's the thing. It looks okay in real life. On camera, I think it looks really nice. I'm looking at what you're seeing. My monitor is down here. I think it looks nice. You guys let me know in the comments down below. You're always very honest with me. Come on, I can take it. Let me know what you think. How does it look? It just looks very thick in real life. Like if someone were to be as close to me like as this mirror is, you can tell I have foundation on. But for days where I want something super, I don't know, no. I'm not even gonna lie. I was gonna say maybe on days when I want something super full coverage, I would do this. No, I would probably just use one of my full coverage foundations, like the Evermatte Shine Proof Becca foundation. This is an amazing full coverage foundation. Also the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This stuff will not fail you. It will stay on all day. I don't think there's ever a need to do this, but this was fun. I like the way it looks on camera. And I am that extra girl that if I was ever on camera, I might do this. Didn't turn out bad. I'm actually shocked. I'm going to go take it off, though. I can't wear this all day, and I'm going to film. So I'm going to take this off. So that was fun. Let me know how you think it looks in the comments down below. Let's jump into some product reviews. If you're new around here, I do this at the end of every video. I check in with you, update you on products I've been loving, not loving. So let's jump into it. Okay, first up from Clarins, we have this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'll show you some close-ups. This is the Clarins 4-color palette, and this is in the shade Lovely Rose. It retails for $44. Let me get it open. First of all, I love the silver packaging, and that's what it is on the back. It has some beautiful pink and purple colors in here, and a very big mirror with a little applicator. I never use those applicators. Do any of you... Let me let it fall. Do any of you still use these little eyeshadow applicators? I never use them. So you get 4 colors in here. You get this really pretty pale pink color, a deeper like mauve pink, a light purple, and then a deep purple color. I'll show you some close-ups of it. It says that you can use it wet or dry. It's formulated with 100% mineral and vegetable pigments. I really like this for everyday wear. I have been wearing this. I wore it yesterday, actually. I feel like this is perfect for an everyday look, or for those of you that don't like yellow on your eyes like I do, or green or blues. I think this would be a perfect Like, you could wear it in the day, you could wear it for date night. This purple color is a really good color for the crease or the outer corner to like deepen up any look. And I don't usually like these little pouches that it comes with, but it's actually really nice because you can see I'm getting my fingerprints all over it. And you can just wipe it off and slip it back in there. I really like everything I've tried from Clarins. I've reviewed a lot of stuff from them, actually. I liked their lip oils. I liked the Clarins Body Fit, their cellulite cream. I'll leave a link to that review video down below. So there we go from Clarins. I've never tried their eyeshadow before that one, so cool. From Skyn Iceland, if you don't know, I've done 2 review videos on Skyn Iceland products. One is their magic rubber mask. I'll leave a link to that video down below. I really like that mask. And then also their eye gels. This is their berry lip fix with wintered red algae. So let's put this on, actually. I don't think I've shown you with me putting this on. I featured this on my Instagram. It has 4 little, not 4, 1, 2, yeah, 4 little holes for the product to come out. Okay. Come on. There we go. It smells very berry. It's very fragrant. I know some of you don't like that, so it is very fragrant. It goes on very smooth. It feels very slick. Is there any color? Let's see. Let me show you like a swatch. No, it's like a white cream kind of. Oh, it feels thick on my hand. It has a very strong berry flavor, so keep that in mind. How much does this retail for? I think it's $15, $18. Ooh, it's starting to tingle a little, like it's minty. Oh, I like that. So this retails for $14. It says apply to clean, makeup-free lips after applying plumping lip gels to enhance their benefits. Ooh, Skyn Iceland has plumping lip gels. I'll have to look that up. Repeat as needed. Can also be applied on its own for instant boost of hydration. I like this. I don't know if I like the smell because I don't typically like the smell of like artificial berry, so I'm not sure about the smell, but I like the way this feels. It has like something that's minty, that's like feeling like it's plumping my lips a little bit. My lips feel moisturized, so I can get over the smell. And you get quite a bit. You get 0.41 ounces, which is a lot for a lip product, so interesting. But that smell, I don't like that smell. So what I would probably do is put it on my lips and then quickly put a lipstick over it. It feels really nice. Next up, we have a pricey item here. This is from Lancome. This is their Lift Multi-Action Ultra Sunscreen. Well, it's a moisturizer with a sunscreen. So it has SPF 30. It says firming and dark spot correcting moisturizer. You can use it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, all skin types. This is expensive, friends. Very, very expensive. This is $99. So let me tell you, it says it's an oil-free, non-greasy moisturizer that works to lift, firm, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and correct dark spots for a visibly younger looking complexion. This moisturizer also includes SPF 30. It says after 4 weeks, skin appears firmer and more lifted. Dark spots are visibly reduced and you see a visibly younger looking complexion, and that was from a 4-week clinical study. I've only used this once as of right now. I will continue to update you on this. As of right now, I told you guys, or if you're new around here, you don't know, my skin my entire life has been, I love the packaging. I was leaving it in the box so I could just show you guys. Why is my camera making that blue? That is so weird. In real life, this whole thing is totally purple. That's so interesting how the camera changes the way things look. By the way, I cannot wait to get this foundation off of my face. 7 foundations mixed together feels like I put Play-Doh and smeared it all over my face. I can't. I need to take it off. If you wanted an update, there you go. Mixing all foundations, I don't know who could survive having this on their face all day. I'm going to have to use like a big scrubber to get it off. That is so crazy. It looks blue to you guys, but it's completely purple. And I love it because purple is Nikki's favorite color. So, tangent. I was saying that my skin has been super oily my entire life. And right now it is super dry. I think it's the weather. Like, it's not even combo anymore. At this point, I'm just dry. It's very, very crazy. First time in my life. So I used this as a moisturizer all over my skin after I washed my face today. and it feels nice and it feels firming. Is it worth $99? I don't know yet. I will be updating you. If you guys want to see a full review video on this, let me know. Next up, from Artis brushes, we have their brush duo. This is, hold on, I have the box here. We have the linear 1 brush, and then we have the circle 1 brush, and this is the Elite Collection Smoke Finish. These brushes, let me tell you the price. I'm pretty sure they're not affordable. I believe they're like mid-range price. I've been using them on the eye, but I really like, sorry, I'm just looking at my phone to pull up the price. I really like that you can use them all over the face, which you can do for most brushes. So, oh, together they're $50, so 25 each, so they're not too bad. I know a lot of you in my last video were like, how much are they? So I'll leave a link to them down below. So this brush, the circle 1, you can use it for concealer, lip color, eye color, special effect, or spot care. And then the linear 1 brush you can use for eyeliner, brow defining, eyeshadow, special effects, edges, and lines. I like to use the, I get them confused, the linear 1 for brows, and then I like to use the circle 1 for concealer, like right under the eyes when you want to get some precision concealer where my fine lines are. I really like those. And then lastly, we have from Patchology their eye gels. I featured this in my skincare routine, so if you want to see me actually apply these, I'll leave a link to that video down below. These things are amazing. You only have to leave them on for 5 minutes, and I swear to you, if you go watch that skincare routine video, you will see that my under eye looks brighter. I don't know if you'll be able to see that it looks firmer, but it felt firmer. And you only have to leave these on for 5 minutes. They're amazing. I don't know if it's the caffeine in them, because they have caffeine. What else do they have? It helps reduce puffiness, fatigue, and dryness. I know it has caffeine in them. Something in these firmed my eyes in 5 minutes, and they were amazing. That is it from me. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this foundation down below. I have to wash this off immediately. It is so thick. Like, I feel like any little fine line I have, it's starting to sink into. It's making my mustache more apparent, which is just a mess. That should be our code word for this video. This video isn't super long, I hope not. If you've made it to the end, leave the word mustache down below so I know you've made it to the end. That's it for me. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you soon. Bye.